Today I will share 5 ways to use Flux AI image generator for free. And in the last one, you will make unlimited text to image. So don't miss this video, because I will show you all the free method you can use. And you know, Flux AI is now create hyper-realistic images in competing Mid-Journey. So don't take more time. Let's start. And subscribe to the channel for more AI tools. So the first website name is Black Forest Labs of Hugging Face. So visit this website. Then you can see dashboard. Here you will get 2 versions of Flux Dev and Flux Schnell. So I click on the first one. Now you can see this interface. Here you can see a prompt box. I make some prompts from Gemini. So simply I copy and paste it here. And in the below, you can see advanced setting, where you can control seed, image guidance scale, number of steps, etc. So explore it. Now hit run. Look at this. Just wow. Nice detail. So now let's explore Schnell version. This is similar. I paste same prompt here, and let's see how it creates. This is good, but it looks like less realistic. So I want to try another prompt. Okay, this is quite good, but the detail is too appeared. But you can use it for your work if you use good prompts. Now let's check how the text creation appears in this Flux Schnell. So I give a prompt, a pink panda holding a board with text, cute panda. That's pretty, but it looks like cartoon, but still good, and the text is very clear. So now take step to our next website, which name is glyphdoapp. You can see this interface. Here you can see a lot of model to use. You can explore it, but I will show you the Flux AI image generator. First click on build. Now click here. Scroll down. Now you can see image generator. Click on it. Okay, we got our dashboard to create images. Paste your prompt here. And here you can see various model for creation. Good thing is it provides Flux Pro for free. So let's see first Schnell model. Select it, and here you can choose your image aspect ratio. Here you see advanced controls, where you can control the steps, number, seed number. So now click on run this glyph. Wow, it's very fast. And look at the result. It's more realistic than the previous tool. And the prompt was same for both tools. Now try another prompt. Let's see. This is quite good. Okay, in the same prompt, now I will use Flux Pro. And let's see what the change we can see. Amazing. The detail of this image is just excellent. I'm totally impressed. What about you? If you like this, and hit a like to the video. Now let's check its text creation. So I give prompt of that panda holding board with text, I want burger. Really cool, but I think the panda should be realistic. I will show another one. A woman is speaking in public. It's so realistic. Hope you like it. Now look our next website, which name is cart.ai. You can see this interface where you can see many models, but we're looking for Flux. So this is Flux. Click on it. Simple dashboard, drop your prompt here. Choose the aspect ratio, you can control the seeds. Now hit generate. Impressive. Can you differ that it's real or not? What do you say? Okay, let's create another one. Oh God, just look at it guys, it is just excellent. Let's see its text generation. So I give a random prompt, a cat holding board with text, "I want peace." It's really nice. Okay, now see our next website, which name is Segment. So the interface looks like this. You can many models here available to generate your creativity. So Segment provides Flux and also Flux Realism LoRa with upscale model. In the previous website, I showed you about the Flux Dev, Flux Schnell, and Flux Pro. So here I will show you Flux LoRa model. So click on it. Now give your prompt here. And here you can change controls of many things, like steps, seed, ratio, LoRa strength, and in the bottom you can see advanced parameters. Here you can see some settings, you can change it or keep it default. So now let's generate. Look the realism in the image and the flux is appearing in the behind very well. Okay, let's see another example. This is really awesome. The portrait details are so realistic. So this is LoRa model. I hope you admire it after using it. Now I will share with you the No Limit website where you can make unlimited images. So the website name is PicLumen. This is the website you have to visit. Now click on Launch App. You can see some creations which I created while testing it. It's really awesome. Okay, let me show you an example. Now let's make image. Give your prompt here. Here you can see some models like PicLumen Realistic, PicLumen Anime, and also the Flux Schnell. And here you can select your aspect ratio and also change the number of images you want. So first try the Flux Schnell. Oh cut, that's good enough. Look at the details it maintained. Really appreciated. Now make same prompt in PicLumen, so the PicLumen is not accurate compared to the Flux. But if you explore it, you can use it properly. So these are the 5 ways to access Flux AI for free. If you found this video helpful, like and share this video, and subscribe for more AI tools for the future.